While the connection between radioactive materials and cancer might be obvious to some, a group of scientists out of Northern Arizona University have discovered a connection that was previously unknown. David Pearson sat down with the head of the study to find out what this new research means for Northern Arizona.
Diane Sterns and her research team spent hours counting dots. These dots represent potentially cancerous cells showing the effects of uranium contact compounded with the exposure to sunlight. This study represents years of research of a relatively simple hypothesis, which is, does the activation of uranium with sunlight lead to potentially cancer-causing mutations in cells?
We're seeing that uranium is more toxic when it's activated by sunlight than it is alone, and also in our most current results, it's more mutagenic.
Traditionally, uranium was not seen to increase rates of skin cancer. However, this study illustrates the potential for an exponential increase in cancer risk when sunlight and uranium exposure are combined.
Uranium by itself has been most strongly linked to lung cancer and kidney cancer. But now, with this mechanism, we would expect that we'll see skin cancer.
For the Navajo Nation, this research could provide insight as to why areas around uranium mines have an increased rate of skin cancer. While this research couldn't study human subjects, the cultured cells they did study show trends that will likely hold true in humans.
While we were investigating this, we also came across the fact that there is a subpopulation in Navajo that is very sensitive to sunlight through a disease called XP.
So while they seem insignificant, these small dots could lead to big changes in the way scientists look at uranium exposure. For NAZ Today, I'm David Pearson.